I am out today and I am in search of a interesting thing. Oh, that's a stone. Let's pick it up. I have picked it up and let's take it to a studio, and I am on the way to my studio. So here are the two stones which I have collected. What to do with this? Have you got any idea? I have got an idea. क्या आपको वही चीज़ दिखाई दे रहा है जो मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है? I hope it's not. Then stay tuned for the entire video. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's keep this aside and let's work with this. So I am back with my works. It is complete, the pencil work. Now the most important part, the coloring. Here I am using acrylic colors of camel. So you can use any medium, whatever you have available in your home. So this is the final work. Let me bring the another one. Here it is ready. As you can see, it is ready. So now it's time to go out and place it in their place, and let's see how they are looking. Let's go. Here it goes. Aha! You have guessed it right. I hope you have loved my video. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग गाइस. आई होप यू हैव लव्ड माई वीडियो. अगर इस DIY प्रोजेक्ट को अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करना, शेयर करना. अगर चैनल पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करके जाना फॉर मोर इंटरेस्टिंग स्टफ्स. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पर. तब तक के लिए सी या, हैव अ गुड डे, टाटा.